prep breakfast burritos together. These have absolutely saved my life. As you know, I've said that I wanted to do savory breakfast a bit more for energy levels, glucose and cravings, and protein. Super good, super filling, easy to make, easy to meal prep. So I'm going to show you how I make them. We are going to start with making the tortillas from scratch because I ran out of tortillas. That's as easy as that. 250 grams. Half a teaspoon of salt. There you go. Okay, water. So I've just made myself some tea. I can assume, that's so convenient, that this is going to be warm enough still. It's not self-raising, no, it's plain flour. Right, need it for a little while. I should have added some spices or herbs or something to make it a bit more fun, because that's going to be plain. Too late? Well, not too late. Okay, that looks nice. That's good enough. So, back into the bowl for 15 minutes. Okay, so we back. I got cold, hence this. Should be good for 6 rolls. The recipe said 75 gram-ish for each, so that's what we'll be roughly working with. Okay, so from there, what I'm supposed to do is rolling them and then cooking them. No shit. Okay. We're gonna try one, see how that goes. That's a lot of flour. That's not gonna be round at all. Okay, it's already sticking, that's not good. That's so normal. Ooh. Okay. Before any major problem happens, we're gonna move you right here. I'm gonna do it how I would make crepes, which I don't, but how my mom would make crepes. Come on, I put so much flour, you absolutely cannot do that. There we go. I'm not having fun. Okay. You have very much flour. It's looking better, actually. Don't talk too fast. This one is okay. Look. This one looks okay. I'm proud of it, okay. I think I'm gonna really take my time. That was useful. If I end up with 5 okay-looking tortillas, let's say 4, I'll be okay. I'll be happy. That's cooked. It's just very floury. That's my first tortilla ever. I think the secret was when I did that. That kind of helped with the shaping. We're manifesting that it's not gonna stick. Okay, this looks good. Okay guys, I think I've got it. Oh my god, that's so cool. Okay, look. She's just very floury. That's the only problem. But otherwise, it's a very good tortilla.
5 hours later.
Okay, so I'm back. I've cleaned everything up and now we're ready to cook the rest. We've got my tortillas that I'm very proud of. We've got some bacon, mushroom, avocados, eggs, and some cheese. And I'm very good at multitasking for a lot of stuff, but cooking is not one of them. So I'm gonna cook the bacon, then I'm gonna cook the mushrooms, then I'm gonna cook the egg. Can't do everything all at once, it's fine. I am in no rush. And then we'll assemble. So we're gonna start with the bacon. So that means we're gonna do 2 bacon per 1 egg because apparently I don't have enough. We'll do the best with the avocados. I feel like I should do just 4 just because it's gonna make the math so much easier and it's just gonna be half an avocado for each. So I'll probably just prepare just 4 and that means this one will be for something else. I might just have a cheese quesadilla with some bacon for lunch. So we're gonna prepare 4. Okay. So that means we're going to do 8 stripes of bacon. I don't know if I have enough room here. Anyways, for 8, let's see. We're going to do the mushrooms. We're probably going to be doing 2 mushrooms per. You can do pretty much any other veggies you like. I would recommend bell pepper for this. But I'm just a huge fan of mushrooms, so mushroom it is. You know what? I lied. I think I can handle more than one thing cooking at the same time. Oh yeah, we've got the avocados to do then. Could be better, 100%, but we'll do with what we have. We'll deal with what we have. We'll deal with what we have. I think both work. Right, so I've got 1 can of ripe avocado, another can of not. Fortunately made not liking to cook my entire personality, and now I'm paying the price. I don't want to do too much because I'm lazy, but I want to do some of it. Oh, that's heavy. I want to use some bit on here. 1 bacon, which I feel would be enough. Now that's gonna be the tricky bit because I have no idea. That looks about right. The egg. Ooh, c'est tendu. Ooh, c'est tendu. Yeah, no, we'll close it when I'm done. Okay, so 2 of them are gonna be rolled up in full and in the fridge, and the other 2 full and freezer because I don't think it goes that far. You can technically seal them and cooking them like I'm doing with the one with random stuff in it. I'm actually gonna eat that. It tastes really good. That was pretty much the end for this video. Thank you so much for watching. It's always so chaotic when I do cooking. You should definitely give it a try. You can change the fillings, and I'm gonna add the calories here, the macros and the prices. Thank you, editing flow. And yeah, that was pretty much it for today. Don't forget that if you are ready to transform your body, just apply for one-on-one coaching down below. Would love to help you. All the women in my programs are getting amazing results, so why not you? But yeah, that was pretty much it for today. Thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, like, subscribe, comment, share, all that good stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye!